For young persons and other vulnerable population in distress over issues relating to abuse, protection, access and empowerment intervention or family matters, the speed of attention to cases can reduce unnecessary delays and save lives. This is what the Lagos State government under the Ministry of Youth and Social Development intends to achieve and with its new standards operating procedure supported by some non-governmental organizations. According to the Commissioner for Youth and Social Welfare, the document sets a pace that aligns with broader social protection goals for all the state government that prioritizes inclusion, youth development, and social welfare.
Service delivery, not only in the Ministry of Youth and Social Development, but in Lagos State and in Nigeria as a whole. We are pace setters, and I'm sure the moment we unveil this, all of the other states will catch the code.
The Standard Operating Procedure, SOP, directly improves how the Lagos State Ministry of Youth and Social Welfare serves young citizens, making the benefit to them both practical and long-term. It also means more consistent and fair access to services with clear guidelines and standardized processes to young people, whether they are seeking support or reporting abuse, are able to receive regardless of where or who they engage with.
It's coming at the perfect time. But of course, I must recognize and thank, our partners. I keep saying the government cannot do it alone. Our partners and our sponsors, ROLAC and CWIN, they've been very, very instrumental in delivering this project.
So for instance, somebody new comes into a department, they can refer to that SOP to say, okay, what is the first thing I'm supposed to do if I'm faced with a case like this?
It's going to be a document that we're going to use. Like, for instance, now in the ministry, we also have the child rights law. And this SOP is another book to ensure that we provide services that are impactful.
Another key benefit is better protection because the SOP integrates ethical standards and survival-centered approaches to ensure that young and vulnerable people are treated with dignity, confidentiality, and care.
They had already put something together, but they needed a technical partner to support them to ensure it's more coherent, provide more clarity, and the technical partner, CWIN, with the support of International IDEA, were able to come together with the directors and do a thorough job, of which we have a document, a legacy document to show forth to the world.
The document also strengthens accountability and trust in the system because when processes are documented and standardized, it becomes easier to monitor performance and ensure that officers are doing their jobs properly, thus building confidence among the young people that the system will work for them. Oshomo Wadanius, AIT News, Lagos.